Today's our topic is exemptions. Not all agreements that fall under Section 17 subclause 1 are prohibited by the Act. As set out in subsection 17 subclause 4, the prohibition does not apply to any agreement or category of agreements which the FTC is satisfied contributes to the improvement of production or distribution of goods and services or the promotion of technical or economical progress while allowing consumers a fair share of the resulting benefit. Imposes on the enterprises concerned only such restrictions as are indispensable to the attainment of the objective mentioned in paragraph A or does not afford such enterprise the possibility of eliminating competition in respect of a substantial part of the goods or services concerned. The agreement contributes to improving production or distribution or promoting technical or economical progress. Exemption. Not all practices that fall under Section 20 subclause 1 are treated as an abuse of a dominant position. As set out in subsection 20 subclause 2, an enterprise shall not be treated as abusing a dominant position if it's shown that its behavior was exclusively directed to improving the production or distribution of goods or to promoting technical or economic progress, and consumers were allowed a fair share of the resulting benefit. Under Section 20 subclause 2b of the Act, arrangements that are designed only for the purpose of enforcing of intellectual property rights, such as copyright, patent, registered design or trademark, would not be considered abuse of dominancy. As set out the subsection 33 subclause 4 of the FCA, exclusive dealing or market restriction will not be prohibited when it or will be engaged in only for a reasonable period of time to facilitate entry of a new supplier of goods into a market or of new goods into a market. Section 33 also does not apply in respect of exclusive dealing or market restriction between or among interconnected companies. For the purpose of the FCA, any two companies are considered to be interconnected if one of them is a company of which the other is subsidiary or if both of them are subsidiaries of the same company. Thank you so much.